Hi everyone. What do you think the following program print? The first statement we can see it should print HA, right? And the second statement also should print HA. So let us verify this. So to our surprise, it actually prints a different output, HA followed by a number 169, right? So what's going on here? Before knowing the reason, please subscribe to the channel. So the first statement here, it takes the argument of an expression of strings, two strings, right? And in between we can see a plus operator, so which obviously performs a string concatenation. Whereas in the second statement, if you observe, it is a combination of char literals, right? And we can see a plus operator in between. So the compiler evaluates this constant expression h and a by promoting each of these char valued operands to the int values through a process known as widening primitive conversion according to the Java language specification. You can see here, right? Our example falls into this category where char is promoted to the int value. So according to the widening primitive conversion, so the char or the 16-bit char value has been promoted to the 32-bit int. So the char value of h is 72. You can see it here. Uppercase h is 72. And the char value of lowercase a is 97. So what happens? The expression turns out to be 72 plus 97. And because neither of these operands is of type string, the plus operator performs the addition rather than the string concatenation, right? So that's the reason we see a different output. So we saw the output of sum of 72 plus 97, which is 169, right? But how do we actually concatenate characters if we wanted to do, right? So we can use the libraries. For example, we can use the library string buffer. So you can see it here, right? We can create an object of string buffer. We can use the append method and we can actually concatenate the char literals. So we can verify it now. This time, you can see it here. It actually prints the expected output, right? But this looks verbose, right? We can avoid this by forcing the plus operator to perform string concatenation instead of addition by ensuring at least one of its operand is a string. So how to do that? We can just add an empty string like this. So which actually ensures that the concatenation is a string based, right? Now you can verify. So it actually prints the expected output, but this can cause confusion. For example, if you take this statement, right? So where you can see it here, right? 1 plus 1 equal to 1 plus 1. So what do you think this actually prints? We think like 1 plus 1 is 2, right? So, but if you observe the output, so it actually prints, it's taking a bit time. Yeah, you can see here, right? 1 plus 1 equal to 1, 1. This is because the first operand is already a string. So the corresponding, after the whenever we use plus, so it actually considers that as a string concatenation. So that's the reason we see 1 and 1 concatenated as a string, right? So this actually causes a confusion. So what we can do is we can use a printf method. We can use printf method like this, and we can use %t, %lc as a syntax, and we can provide the char literals, whatever we wanted to display, right? Now let us verify. So we can see the expected output, right? So in summary, use string concatenation operator with care. The plus operator performs string concatenation if and only if at least one of its operand is of type string. Otherwise, it prints addition like we have seen, right? So if none of the values to be concatenated are strings, we have several choices like prepending the empty string, converting the first value to a string explicitly using String.valueOf method, or we can use a string buffer, or we can use the printf facility as well. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share it.